Your heart pushes blood out with a powerful squeeze, but the heart can't reach your toes by itself. It needs roads, a whole network of them, carrying blood out to every cell and back again. And just like a real city, your body uses 3 different kinds of roads, each built for a different job. Let's drive through all 3. First, the highways. These are your arteries, the vessels that carry blood away from the heart. When the heart squeezes, blood blasts into them under huge pressure. So arteries are built tough, thick walls, strong and stretchy and muscular to handle the force. In fact, arteries flex with every beat. Press your fingers on your wrist or your neck and you can feel it. That's an artery bouncing back each time the heart pumps. That's your pulse. As arteries travel from the heart, they branch, bigger to smaller again and again, like a highway splitting into roads, then streets, getting tinier each time until they become the smallest roads of all, the capillaries. And this is where the real magic happens. Capillaries are unbelievably thin. Their walls are just a single cell thick, so thin that oxygen and food can slip right through them out to the waiting cells. This is the whole point of the journey. Right here, in these tiny alleys, blood finally makes its delivery. Oxygen and food slip out to your cells, waste and carbon dioxide slip back in. Every single cell in your body sits close to a capillary. You have billions of them, threading through every tissue. They are the actual destination. Everything else is just the roads that lead here. Now the blood is tired and full of waste. It needs to get home. So the capillaries join back together into bigger vessels. The veins are the return roads. They carry blood back to the heart. And here's the thing, by now, the heart's big push has worn off. The pressure in veins is low. The blood is moving slowly and gently uphill from your legs, so veins are built differently. Their walls are thinner. They don't need to handle high pressure, but they face a new problem. How do you push slow blood all the way back up to the heart against gravity? With a clever trick, veins have tiny one-way valves inside them, little doors just like in the heart. Blood can move toward the heart, but the doors snap shut to stop it sliding back down. And there's a helper. When the muscles in your legs squeeze, when you walk, when you move, they press on the veins and pump the blood upward. Your muscles literally help your blood get home. That's why sitting still too long makes your legs feel heavy. So there's the whole road system, arteries, thick highways carrying blood away from the heart, capillaries, one-cell thin alleys where the delivery happens, veins, return roads with valves bringing blood back, away through the arteries, exchange in the capillaries, home through the veins, and then the heart sends it out all over again. Highways, alleys, and return roads, about 100,000 kilometers of them inside you, carrying life to every cell and never, ever closing.